just like 1000cc injectors, so maybe you'll know exactly what to toss us.
Yeah, absolutely. That would be super helpful if we don't have that.
And fan.
So you think he wants me to sign it on the wheel, right?
I sure hope so.
On it.
Yeah, I got you a silver Sharpie. Maybe like right here.
You ready?
I'm ready. Nice, you already got the 144 on there.
I was gonna do it, yeah.
There you
Put
go.
a little message on the back. The OG Stay Sideways. That's one we should bring back, dude. You guys gotta tell us in the vlog if you wanna some throwback Stay Sideways merch. That'd be sick.
I think we could do that.
But dude, we're only down to like how many of these dang things? 2, 4, 6 more left, and they're never coming back. Okay, what are we doing?
We loading the trailer.
We got Dean Carney in the house again, swinging by. Shout out to Dean for working with the Printhouse. We've been fulfilling his merchandise for quite some time. And then, yeah, from here, Dean is happy to be able to take a bunch of his gear and Adam LZ's gear over to Grid Life because your boy messed his car up. And now I can't go to Grid Life, but Dean's coming through saving the day. Shout out Dean Carney. Thank you so much, bro. I really appreciate it. Adam, hope you enjoy the new gear. Proud to print for you. So, good combo here. Skill.
Still. Mini update here.
Move around with the sun. Adrian's doing his favorite job, taping boxes.
I wrap boxes now.
He's actually no good at it. Brandon is wrapping up racks, dude. Look at these. Purple, bright purple, JM63 rack, OEM rack. Little update for the people, Brandon.
I mean, racks on racks, we're shipping them out. Trying to get some stuff fixed. Get ready for clutch kickers.
Hell yeah.
Be out there.
Because Nate can't keep them in good shape. They just keep breaking.
A few car wrecks here and there, no big deal, man. It is what it is, but shout out Josh McGuire, JM63. This is where we're rebuilding our racks. Basically, we're sending him like an OEM rack. He'll butter it up and color it some crazy color for us and send it back. I have 2 racks now, one that was leaking just a little bit, and then one that I had gotten a car wreck with. We have about 2 weeks before clutch kickers, so we figured we'd send them off to Josh, get them back, and have some spares. So, little update here. Everyone is at Grid Life right now. We're seeing all the social posts, and we're all crying. Just playing, but yeah, super bummer that we're not out there. Shout out Grid Life. Well, I wanted to give you guys a little bit of a insight as to what's going on right now at the shop. Obviously, this will come out on Tuesday, so this is actually Friday, a few days before you guys are watching this. Confusing stuff. Anyways, we're basically, the point of the story is we're gearing up for more merch on the website. It's something that I have had in the background rotating very slowly. Like, I've always kind of sold some merch, obviously, because we just make products, but I haven't really ran it like a business, and I haven't really ran it like a rotating process. So I would, in the past, print, you know, 5 of each size and just let them chill, and then I'd wait a month and print again and wait, and I would kind of lose my traction. But anyways, trying to update you guys on current program. Bi-weekly, every other week, we're putting out new merchandise. Some stuff on the website right now is the Corduroy Cap. So we have these that are super sharp and fun. It's got a fucking like different type of strap back. We also have a classic snapback. So this is a blue logo here, and of course we have a purple logo option. These are pretty straightforward. These work well on the track. If you want to just get dirty and blow through a hat real quick, those work super well. Let's see what's going on out here. We got the wife probably doing who knows what.
I'm doing work stuff. I gotta return some hoodies.
How's it going out here on the print floor?
Pretty good. It's pretty hot, but it's going great. Packaging orders. Don't laugh at me.
Good interview, babe. What are you doing right now? What are you fulfilling?
Out there.
Or yeah, like in general.
Out there, I'm fulfilling all the orders that we're printing, that everybody's ordering. So I'm sure, like you just said, we're printing as they order. So yeah, thanks for being patient with us. We're nicely packaging them up for you and making sure they look beautiful.
How many orders you got? Let's go see what you got your progress on. Where are we at? Obviously we got Caden, we got Austin. They're printing up some super cool Legends V1 right out the dryer, fresh. This has the tour dates and also has the huge crispy graphic up front right off the direct-to-garment. We'll talk about more of that in a minute. Back to the wife.
I got a few of these Alpine shirts, and I think now we're printing the Legends like you just saw, the black Legends. And
What's over here?
oh, just the same stuff, except actually alive. This little gray number, super simple, super fun, some shop shirts. Easy peasy one colors.
Printhouse.
Yeah. Do you have these online?
No, not yet. These will drop. So everybody, this is I guess an exclusive because you're watching this on a Tuesday, and these are gonna drop next Friday. So a few more days, these will be on the website.
Yep.
Oh, look at that. You think people will get it?
Should I point it out?
What is it?
Okay, it's 144. Go Caden.
Who would have guessed?
Not many people probably.
Heck yeah. But yeah, so merch is moving. Before we talk to them about the new merch coming out, let's see what Adrian's up to, man. Everyone fucking loves Adrian, you know what I mean? Adrian. What are you up to?
Wrapping this car for the 30th time.
The kids. Alright, I've been getting a lot of comments about missing the purple. So basically, we agree the purple slash plum that we had was very, very dark. Like almost not purple. So luckily, remind me, Adrian, this was
our first purple that we ever chose.
Yeah.
Beginning of 2021.
3M or Avery?
It's neither.
Neither? Oh,
It's Oracle.
Oracle, that's right. But this was their like gloss metallic purple that I originally wanted to kind of roll out with the season this year, and back orders and life, it never came in. Then it came in, and now we're finally able to put it to use. So we're splashing another bright purple on the car, keeping the super dark like metallic blue, and then the black back end with a new color on the drip. Comment below what you think the color is going to be, and we'll see if you're right. All right, Adrian, just want to say what up.
What's up?
Just checking in with the people. Brandon out here literally sweating it out, putting his tea to good use. Are you feeling all right, bro?
Hey, it's a
Are you
little hot.
feeling bad again?
No, I'm feeling good.
All right, all right.
Just trying to stay cool today.
Yeah.
Nicotine patch on.
What is this? Is that the cooler patch?
Yeah, a little cooling patch.
All right. Here's another hint at the purple coming in. For those who wanted the purple back, you win. It's back.
That's right, yep. Just hold it. 30 seconds. Yeah.
Caden, we gotta talk to you, bro.
What's up?
We gotta talk to you.
Okay, talk to me.
All right, people are hyped. They
Yeah.
want to know how the fuck we're making shirts that are this cool.
Oh my gosh. Well, it starts between me and this guy. Sometimes you gotta do the design first. That's where all the cool shit happens right off the bat.
Yes.
Design.
That's important. So the designs are a combo of Austin and Caden. So certain designs are designed by different people, but it's all one family. Then what?
Kind of flip this around. Then once the designs are ready, you gotta size them up to whichever t-shirt or product that you're printing on. And then from here, if we're doing a direct-to-garment print, we're gonna have to basically spray an adhesive spray that allows the water-based ink that we use to hold into the shirt for a nice clean print. It's a tricky process and honestly like science, but we're figuring it out and doing a good job. You'll load this back on and then just same thing, go for 10 seconds. I'll let you hold it.
And today is the day where Austin came through to start learning the process. So like we talked about, every 2 weeks we're dropping gear and we're gonna need some help. So graphic designers are getting put to work out here. So yeah, you guys seen on Instagram, if you didn't, I put out this like little video of desperation, let's call it. So basically I was using Instagram as just a platform to speak to my audience and also ask for help. So A, the gear is selling, thank you guys so much. And B, we have a special guest today, Matt at DeatschWerks. He's coming in to save the day. He heard Adrian's cry.
I'm the special guest today.
Also, you're gonna notice a little bit more action on the colorway here. The purple's back. Nice. Matt's in the house.
Hey, what's up, everybody?
What's up, Matt?
What's going on? How's it going?
How's it going?
We got your special delivery right here for you.
Nice, dude. A lot of boxes.
Yeah, everything you need for that fuel system plus some swag. So
That's
want to make sure
right.
that DeatschWerks treats you right.
Swag. Nice. Got some gear. Oh, nice.
That hat.
Super sick. Out of everything, this is actually what Adrian wanted right here.
Oh yeah, here's all of our lines for Ptfe.
Nice. Yeah, so Adrian, tell the people what's up. So we reached out on Instagram.
Yep.
Then we found Matt.
Hey.
Luckily. And then from there, Matt offered to basically rebuild the entire fuel system.
Yeah.
So we only, I guess the last time we talked to you guys, we were going in between just fixing one line or fixing the whole thing. And we also were trying to find a partner for injectors. So this is where Matt reached out to us. We all got connected and DeatschWerks came through to save the day. So here we are opening up some boxes and diving into all the details.
This is all our ethanol friendly line.
Nice.
And here's the other stuff.
The return.
The 10 AN and the 8 AN. So this is 10, this is 8.
Cool.
And then these are all of our Ptfe fittings. So these are Ptfe coated as well?
Yeah, they're Ptfe coated there, I believe, on the insides.
Yeah. That's what I noticed. Like I don't think our lines were or our fittings were Ptfe coated, but these come with Ptfe coating in them too. So like the whole system would be Ptfe coated.
Got all the lines of fittings. We got your injectors.
These are the most important thing.
Because I didn't really know how to read the part number for our current injectors. They were
What's printed on the injector is not like the actual part number of that. It just tells about what size that injector is and then what the flow rate is on there. So it'll say the 1000 on it there to tell you what the flow rate is. And all of our injectors are matched within like 2 points of each other. And so that's kind of the big DeatschWerks difference is you're not just getting 4 random injectors that we put together, put in a box and gave to you. We do a bunch of quality assurance testing, a bunch of testing in-house to make sure that those injectors flow perfectly with each other as a system. So, one might be flowing 998 and one might be flowing 1000, but they're within that 2 points of each other. And so it makes your fuel system run tremendously better. And then inside, kind of the most important thing, if you're a data guy, you get a flow report that tells you exactly what each one of those injectors will do. You're not the jack.
We were looking at that.
You can mount your engine bay, screw it off, put a replacement one, screw it back on.
Like an oil filter.
Yeah, like a
That's crazy.
standard or oil filter.
I think Dad wanted this one though, just so then it fits in our current system. Because it's kind of like where our drive shaft is. It's like really close, so if there's a lot of bulk in there, it could snag, or if something comes loose, it could, But this is pretty much exactly what we have, just a lot beefier.
Yeah, it's got the integrated, the mounting brackets on there, and then those tilt and lock at different configurations.
Oh, okay, nice.
So
because they can spin
tilt
up.
them at that 45 degree if you're putting it somewhere and you need just that tilter.
Gotcha.
Depending on how you want to put it.
Dang, this is beefy compared to our
Feeling
other
good, dude?
Yeah.
Sick. Dude, over-delivered right here, man.
Yeah.
Ton of product.
Got a little merch.
You got a merch plug over here, too? Oh.
Sorry.
Look at this. Look at
Brandon.
Super sick.
They're doing it.
Oh, they got banners, dude.
Dude, we got a shop banner, we got stickers.
Hell yeah. Thank you so much, Matt.
Absolutely, we're glad to do it.
Yes.
How's it going?
What up?
All right. Hey, got a question.
What's up?
When you guys start driving that car, the wheels start going back in, don't they?
Yeah. On the drift car?
Yeah, this one.
Oh, Adrian's car. Dude, that thing stays like that.
Really?
He fucking has to go all the way around to even get to downtown. Like, these kids drive it like that.
Wow.
You're shitting me.
Isn't that terrible?
They have to go through tires like crazy.
He does, yeah. He flips them. They only run like the 25% on the outside tread. Like, they're not even using the whole tire at all.
Wow.
That's crazy.
Yeah. Good stuff, guys.
All right.
See y'all.
Take care.
Take
God
it
bless.
easy. Hey, we'll be back to get this one.
Deal. Busted. Busted.
I'm trying to figure out. I missed a couple parts. Sorry, DeatschWerks. And second, I gotta figure out. I think these angles are. There's just a few of them that I want a little bit more angled so that it's not like pinching anywhere or anything.
Yeah.
So I'm making a new list, and hopefully we can return these
Cool.
and get new ones back in with that order that's supposed to come in.
Gotcha.
So the other two.
It's looking good, though.
Yeah.
It's looking beefy.
Yeah, that's the Y block. So that's what, instead of it coming around, we're gonna have this be our feed, and then it's gonna come back and Y to return, versus it going in a loop.
Oh, yeah.
But just a little bit of tweaking.
Good stuff.
Just making sure we have everything we ordered, and we did, but ordered the wrong stuff.
He came through and brought a lot of stuff today.
I know.
Got our injectors like you guys seen. And a spare set. Bunch of fitting. Hose. Adrian's been doing his CAD renderings all month. Thank you, DeatschWerks. Alright guys, we'll probably end this video here. But yeah, it's been a good week at the print house. And yeah, thanks to DeatschWerks for coming through and saving the day. Got our injectors, about to rebuild the fuel system. Yeah, Adrian's got his work cut out for him. I'm gonna get back over there and print more, but we'll see you guys on Thursday at 144. Later.